Very good
Good
evening, my
evening,
dear
sir.
students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, students. Students, we are dealing with the chapter number 6, triangles from your mathematics textbook. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In this, already some of the journey has been completed. That is, up to exercise 6.3, we have finished in the earlier classes. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And today, I'm going to begin with the new concept for the same chapter, triangles. That is nothing but theorem number 2. Now, question comes, what is this theorem number 2? Students, this theorem is nothing but related to the areas of two similar triangles. Related to what?
Areas of two similar triangles.
Areas of two similar triangles.
Yeah. In the last section of the syllabus, we learned what are similar triangles. The two triangles are said to be similar if, number one, all the angles of one triangles are equal to the corresponding angles of the other triangle. Number two, all the sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding sides of the other triangle. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, today we will discuss if the two triangles are already similar, then what will be the relation between their areas? That is what we are going to study in the second theorem. So, all of you write down the side heading beta. Theorem 2, in the bracket, mention areas of two similar triangles. Write it fast. Make a para. Already I have written the sentence beta. Copy it. I will explain the meaning. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Prachi, read the sentence beta.
Yes, sir. The areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares of their corresponding sides.
Very good. Students, copy the statement quickly. I will explain the meaning. We will go for the appropriate diagram and we are going to prove this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I repeat the sentence. The areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares of their corresponding sides. Students, copy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
look
sir.
at the concept here. What we are going to
No,
highlight. We
sir.
are going to better right. You take your time. Don't worry. Okay. We are going to target the areas of similar triangles. Number one. Then their proportionality. The proportionality of the areas of the two similar triangles with the squares of corresponding sides. Are you getting the concept beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these are the important things whichever I marked, I encircled. Okay. Here, what is the meaning? Areas of two similar triangles proportional means area of a triangle number 1 divided by area of a triangle number 2. This is the ratio. This ratio should be equal to one more ratio. What is that ratio, beta? The square of side 1 divided by square of side 2. We can write in this manner, or else we can say side 1 by side 2, the whole square. Side 1 of triangle 1, side 1 of triangle 2. Is that clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
It
sir.
may be not only side 1, side 1. It may be side 2, side 2, side 3, side 3. Are you getting the concept?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now let us see the meaning of the statement around the diagram. So now tell me what kind of diagram I have to draw now. What I have to do? About what I have to draw. Any
Sir,
answer?
voice is not clear.
Sir, your voice is
Sir, your
not clear,
voice is
sir.
not clear.
Just 1 minute. But am I audible now properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir.
Let me ask you, according to the statement, which diagram I have to draw? What I have to draw? Quick. Beta, am I audible?
One
Yes,
more
sir.
similar
Yeah.
triangle we have to draw.
Yeah, beta. We have to draw two
Two
triangles
similar
which are
triangles.
similar. Correct?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I'm doing the same work, beta. I have taken one moto and one photo. One is ABC, the other one is DEF, which looks similar. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not only looking better, they should be similar also. Okay. Now, in this, what I have to prove is area of the triangle number one, that is ABC, divided by area of triangle two, that is DEF. This ratio is same as the squares of their corresponding sides. What does it mean? AB with DE, so AB square by DE square. Then BC with EF, BC square by EF square is equal to AC square by DF the square. Is that clear, madam?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
This AB D square by D square can be written as AB by D the whole square also using the laws of exponent. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I thought this is not required. So look at the concept, beta. I repeat the meaning. If the two triangles are similar, then the area of one triangle divided by area of other triangle should be equal to three ratios. What are those three ratios? The corresponding side. AB the square by DE the square, BC the square by EF the square, AC the square divided by DF the square. Is it understood better?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's right. The steps of the theorem. We are going to prove the statement. First, data. In the data beta, they said the two triangles are similar. Am I right? Triangle
Yes.
ABC is similar to the triangle DEF. When the two triangles are similar, beta, I can write three important things to the angle, three important things to the side. Am I right? So let me
Yes,
write
sir.
angle A is equal to B is equal to E, and C is equal to F. This is one thing. And BB by DE equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF.
Yes,
I used the definition beta. These are similar. So condition number one, condition number two. Clear?
yes, sir.
Yeah. To prove, just now I have written, I'll copy the same. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to these three ratios. Everywhere we have to take the squares. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
DB square by DE square, maybe BC square by EF square, maybe AC square by DF square. All the three ratios are going to work out. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta. Now we will go for construction. Without construction, we cannot proceed, beta. Question comes, what construction we require here? Beta, construction is very simple, not at all complicated. From vertex A, beta, draw a perpendicular line. The base BC, call it as A1. Then from vertex D, beta, do the same work, perpendicular to the base EF, call it as DM. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me, beta, in short, what I can write the construction as? Quick.
Draw a
Huh.
perpendicular BC.
Color to
Draw, draw.
Draw perpendicular AM to
I draw
BC and perpendicular DN to EF.
Okay, beta. Draw AM perpendicular BC and DN
DN perpendicular. Yes.
perpendicular. One in the bigger triangle, one in the smaller triangle. Students, copy till here. I'll start with the proof. Quick. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So students, no need of explaining again. You understood. This is the first part of the statement data. This is the second part of the statement to prove. This is what the construction we require. Without this, we cannot proceed further. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, let us continue with the main section of theorem. What is the main section, beta?
Proof.
Proof. Let us go for it. Proof. I'll start with the LHS of the two proof. In the LHS, what is the LHS, beta, in the two proof? Check there.
Area of
Area
triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF.
Yeah, let us begin with this one. Beta, we have a general formula. Area of triangle. What is the formula? E is equal to
Half into base into height.
half into base into height. So I will apply the same thing. If you look at the bigger triangle, base is available, height is available. Here also base is available, height is available. So beta, Spurti Patil, can you tell me what should be the numerator, what should be the denominator? Quick.
Half into BC into AM, sir.
Huh.
Divided by half into EF into DN.
DN. Okay, look at the concept beta. Half into base. For the bigger one is BC is the base and AM is the height. So I have substituted. Now coming to the smaller one, half as it is. Base is EF and the height is DN. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Beta, cancellation. Half and half getting cancelled. So I'll get BC by EF one ratio and one more AM by DN. Just I'm separating these two beta. Why you understand later. Call it as equation number 1. Students, copy till here. Quick. This is the first work. Taking the area of one divided by area of other, applying the general formula, cancellation of half, getting the two ratios separately, in between multiplication, equation number 1. Copy. Done?
Done, sir.
Now beta,
Yes.
look at the concept. Already we have BC by EF, BC by EF. Now look at this second ratio beta, AM by DM. By anyhow, if I proceed in any other manner, if I get success in telling that AM by DN is same as BC by EF, our work will be done. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean? If I prove this ratio is same as BC by EF, I can substitute this BC by EF here. Then you can see BC into BC, BC the square, EF into EF, EF the square. And this is what we want in the two proof. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
So, in simple words, I'm going to focus myself in proving that the ratio of AM by DN, that is the perpendiculars ratio, is same as the ratio of the bases. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now question comes, how it can be done? To get this particular work to be done, I have to consider a set of triangles, that is two triangles. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Beta, here, look at the availability. In the bigger, there are two. In the smaller, there are two. Left with left, that is one part. Left with left. Then right with right, That is the one more option. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Don't look. Left with right one option, sir. Right with left one more option, sir. That is not allowed. We have to go for the corresponding things. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the simple one, you can take ABM, one triangle, with DEN, other triangle. Take these two triangles, prove that they are similar. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Or else, take ACM with DFN, prove that they are similar. Both the ways are going to give you the answers. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, tell me, beta, which one will be comfortable for you? Left with left or right with right?
Right with right, sir.
Right.
But always remember, left parts will be comfortable one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You may argue,
Yes,
beta. It is left to person, beta. Always, I prefer the left hand side will be the better one. So let us take ABM, triangle ABM, and triangle DEN. Beta, work is simple. Take these two. Apply the AA rule. Which rule, beta?
AA rule.
A.
Look at this. I can say this angle and this angle are equal, beta.
Yes, sir.
Angle
Yes, sir.
AMB is the same as DNE. Both are 90 degree. What is the reason, beta? Huh?
Because it is a perpendicular line.
That is the construction, beta. We have done it. In the construction part, we did perpendicular. That is one. Okay, beta. One more angle. I can write these two angles, beta. ABM is equal to,
Angle DEN.
why, beta? Why these two will be equal?
Given, sir.
Data, the given. How given? They said, beta, the bigger ABC is similar to the bigger DEF. B is corresponding to E. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, angles of one equal to the angles of other. The third angle, beta, will be automatically equal. So, they are similar. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Triangle ABM is similar to the triangle DEN according to AA rule. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta. Once these are similar, I can write the corresponding sides are proportional. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Beta, now observe, very important. All of you, don't copy, just observe it. What I'm going to do? First, I'll target B angle and E angle. What is opposite to B? B side?
AM by DN.
AM by DN. So in simple words, perpendicular by perpendicular. Correct, beta?
Yes,
Equal
Yes,
to.
sir.
Look at this angle, beta. A and D. What is opposite to this angle, beta?
DM by EN.
BM by EN. One more, beta. 90 degree. What is the opposite side?
AB by DE.
AB by D.
AB by DE. I hope you people understood the concept, beta. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will you copy till here, beta? Quick. Do it. I got three ratios. AM by DN is equal to BM by EN is equal to AB by DE. Quick.
Written, sir.
Written. Okay, now beta, observe carefully. Out of three ratios, I require any two. This one is compulsory. Can you tell me, beta, why I require this one?
It's height. Height is.
Yeah. It is present in the equation 1. That is the main reason. AM by DN. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Optional for us. Question comes, this is going to help us or this is going to help us? Beta, can anybody predict which ratio will help us if I take it?
AB by DE, sir.
Why not this one, beta? BM by EN. Any answers?
Sir, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, no, sir. So,
Very good, beta. The reason, in simple word, AB and DE. AB is corresponding to the entire triangle ABC. DE also corresponding to the entire triangle DEF. Wherein, if you go for BM and EN, beta, BM is a part of the bigger triangle. EN is also a part of the bigger triangle. Am I right, beta?
yes,
We are
sir.
not a part. We want the whole thing. So I'll write the sentence. Let BM by DN is equal to UB by D. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's present in the equation 1, so I have taken. This will give you the whole side of the bigger triangles, so I have taken AB and D. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right till here, I'll continue fast. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Beta,
sir.
now, as Purti said, she is correct. We will write one sentence. But AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, which is given in the data. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
So, AB by DE is BC by EF means I will change it. This implies AM by DN is equal to, in the place of this beta, remove it and write this. BC by EF. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
The reason axiom. The things equal to the same thing will be equal to one another. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Beta, now, therefore, equation 1 becomes, tell me students, what I have to write the first equation as, what will be the change now? Quick.
AM by BC by EF is equal to
Beta, this one first, LHS.
area of ABC divided by area of DEF.
Yeah, is equal to, it was there. Now, the second ratio was AM by DN. That AM by DN will be replaced with this. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
sir.
So finally, what I'm going to get? Therefore, area of ABC divided by area of DEF is equal to BC square divided by EF the square. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Because
sir.
BC is the square, EF into EF the square. Call it as equation number 2. Students, copy fast, quick.
Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, beta, written all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at the concept, beta. Already we have proved it. We got the answer. Ratio of the areas of two triangles are equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I have taken only one side, beta. BC with EF. There is two more possibilities. AB with DE, AC with DF. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So let me write one
Yes,
more
sir.
sentence and we will conclude our answer. What is that? Again, BC by EF is the same as AB by DE, which is same as AC by DF according to the data. Because the given two triangles are similar. Correct, beta?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, equation 2 becomes area of ABC by area of DEF equal to, in the place of BC and DF, beta, I can use AB and DE. Square is there, so AB square by DE square. I can retain this one, BC square by DF square. I can add one more, AC square by DF the square. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Copy, students, quick. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. This is the meaning of areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares of their corresponding sides. Proportionality, already I said, beta, the comparison of two ratios. The two ratios should be exactly equal. Not only two, it may be three ratios, it may be four ratios. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 ratios are there. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
So the
Yes,
term
sir.
proportional has come. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. This is the statement and proof for the second theorem, which is connected with areas of two similar triangles. In the next class, I'm going to start with the problem exercise 6.4. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. With this, I'm winding the session. You can start preparing for your periodic test. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye. Bye, beta. Bye.
Yes, sir.